I'm going to put a touch of burnt sienna to tone it down a little bit. And now what I'm going to do is going to go in here and basically build in the color next to the rocks for my waterfall. And we're going to highlight this later on, so we're just looking for a color that will just be a ground color at this point. So I'm cutting into the rocks here. Get a little lining brush if you need to cut in there easier, if you can't manage it with a bigger brush. Make sure you got enough paint on the edge of your paintbrush so you can make a nice clean cut. Okay, don't be afraid to turn the canvas around, folks. You good? Mm-hmm. Need me to sign it?
Yeah.
Come here. Good enough. If they have questions, come back.
What a signature.
It's Prince's brother. Well, the artist formerly known as Prince.
Okay.
That's so unique, they'll know it's me. Yeah, just probably roll their eyes and tut.
You would know that.
Uh-huh.
You would be the one to know that.
Yeah. All right, so there we go. This is only a ground coat anyway. We'll put the rest in later with the highlights and stuff. You have to wait till after Thanksgiving now to finish these, aren't we? I didn't even realize we got a bank in here, so I couldn't go too far, I guess. And then I'm guessing that just rolls over from somewhere, so I need a bit of a flatter line right there. It's a waterfall, because it'll come over the top somewhere. You put a little bit higher in there. There you go. Okay, any questions on that?